Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Roblox scripting tutorial. And in this one, I'm gonna be making a music player GUI so everyone in your game can hear the music and what's the song that is playing. And this video was um, recommended by one of my subscribers. Appreciate the recommendation. Let's get into the video. So, I'm just gonna show you that this actually works. Hold on. Alright, I'm just going to show you that this actually works. Okay, I'm going to play the game. This is just the GUI that I made. It's nothing much. But, yeah. Let me just show you. Oh, hold on. So, yeah, as you see, it's playing a song. It's playing a song. And I'm going to lower that volume so I don't get copyright or whatever. So, yeah, as you see, it's playing a song, as you heard just before, and it's also tweening this bar. So that's the length of once it hits the end, the new song will play. That's just like the length of it. And yeah, this is just the GUI. You can design your GUI any way you want. Just make sure that you have, if you want to have this bar, I'll show you how to make the GUI right now. But you can still customize it the way you like. So I'm gonna open up a new place here, and we're gonna get started on this. And also, I'll be leaving the whole GUI and scripts in the description for you guys to take. It'll be a model, and yeah. So if you guys want to take that, you can. Okay, so now, all right, let's switch places here. There we go. All right, we're in a new world now. And yes, I'm going to show you how to make this, starting with by making the GUI. All right, I'm just getting ready here. All right, so guys, now, this is what you're gonna want to do. So let's start making the GUI first. I'm gonna insert a screen GUI into starter GUI over here in the Explorer. Okay, I'll move that over there. So here's the screen GUI, and it's in the starter GUI. So now we're gonna say, I'm just gonna say music, server music. I'll just call it music player GUI. It doesn't, yeah, so that's fine for now. Okay, and now we're gonna add a frame, and just make this frame any way you want. This is just gonna be the frame that holds all the things we're gonna need in it, like the name of the song that's playing and the bar that will be tweening. So yeah, you can customize this any way you want. I'll just customize it just for kicks. I'll just make it like this dark gray color, and I'm gonna give it some background transparency of 0.4 or 0.3, whatever. That's okay. So right here, and I'm just gonna name this frame holder. I'm only naming it holder just because this is what's gonna be holding what we're gonna need in it. You can call it background, but in the script that we're working in later, I'll be referencing this. So maybe you should just go with it for now because so you don't get confused later on. So right now I'm gonna insert a frame. Actually no, I'm gonna delete that. I'm gonna insert a text label. This is what the name of the song will be on. This is what the text is. I'm gonna go over here my properties. I'm just gonna size up the text. Right here, sizing up the text to I think 30, or yeah, 30 is fine for me. You can mess around with the rest of the properties. You can add a font if you want. I'm just gonna leave this the way it is because I'm not really focusing on the customization of this. I'm just worrying about the scripting part of this because anybody can make a GUI, but it all comes down to what you do in the script. Okay, so there we got that. I'm gonna name this text label. I'm gonna name it song Yeah, I'm just gonna name it song playing. I'm just gonna name it song playing. So we know this is this. Or you can name it song name. I think that's quite. If you want, it doesn't matter. Just name it song name playing, so we know this is the label that's gonna show what song is playing. And now I'm just gonna add a frame into the holder. I'm gonna size this down, and I'm gonna move it along so it fits for the rest of the frame. Yeah, hold on. I'm lagging right now. Alright, hold on. I'm sorry. Alright. Let's move this along the frame. I'm going to actually turn the borders off of both these frames just because it looks better. I don't want any borders in mine. If you want borders, then you can leave it or change it. There we go. I'm going to name the frame background. And yeah. So in the background, I'm going to add another frame. And this frame is going to be what's going to be tweening. So this is going to be the green bar. You can colorize this. I personally choose green because it makes sense. It looks the best in my opinion. But you can change to anything you want. I'm going to remove the borders off of this as well. Make that 0. I'm going to name this frame progress. So because this is the progress bar. Progress. Okay. So I'm gonna scale this so it's all the way at the end, so we don't see it at all. Because we're gonna so put that frame all the way at the end. I'm also gonna turn the borders off. I don't want any borders. Okay. Alright. So yeah, just make sure that's all the way at the end. You can size it back so you can make it all the way at the end. There we go. Now it's right here. We're just gonna tween it so it will go as it will tween size, so it will move when the song is playing. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the GUI making. You can customize this any way you want. Just make sure you did what I did and you're good. So yeah, you can customize it any way you want. Okay, so now we actually have to add our songs. I'm gonna move this back over here just because I like it better over here. Okay. Alright, so now you gotta add some songs. You guys might have songs that you made or songs that you created already, but if you don't, I'm just gonna go over here into the toolbox. Go to the home tab up here, and click on toolbox. Okay, so now I'm gonna go click this arrow. I'm gonna select audio. So now it brings you all these music. So you can choose one that you want. And first I'm gonna insert a folder in the workspace. And this folder will hold our song, so it's more organized. Songs. I'll just name that song. So songs. Now I'm gonna insert this song, Night Vision, into the songs folder, and I want a couple more, so it will choose out of a random song. I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna do this one as well. Alright, I'm gonna do this one. This one's not adding for some reason. Alright, I'm gonna choose another one then. This one. Why isn't this adding? Hold on. Alright, it's not add. Oh, there we go. I'm just very laggy right now. Okay, I'm just gonna put this one in the folder. Oh yeah, there we go. Now we got 4. That's actually good. The more the better, so you have more songs to play from. Alright, so now I have 4 songs in my folder. You can get whatever songs you want. Just make sure it's in this sound. So yeah, just make, you got it. Alright. So we got our songs. Now time for the scripting part. Go to server script service, insert a server script. Just you can name it if you want. I'll name it to whatever. Um, um, Sound or music script, I guess. How about that? Yeah, music script. Okay, I'm gonna remove the default hello world. I'm gonna now start working on this. So, okay, so first we're gonna want to get our song variable. So I'm gonna say local, or like songs. Let's get the song folder in the workspace. Workspace, find first child, songs. That'll just get the songs folder for us. And also we're gonna want to say :get children. So we can see so that get children is a function which will just get everything that's in the songs folder right here. And we're gonna probably loop through that. So yeah, it's just gonna go through that. Yeah, and now we want to get a random song out of that. So we're gonna say local random song equals songs. Actually, yeah, songs. Do a square bracket like that. Say math.random. And yeah, there you go. That's the syntax for that. Okay, so in this we're gonna want to say 1, hashtag songs. So that basically will just get one random song out of this folder here, and we're just going through it. So yeah, yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna want to make a player added event. So when a player joins the game, game.players.player added, connect connect function. I'll just say PLR. It's short for player. Anything you put in these parentheses is gonna be the player value. So yeah, since it's a player added event, the parameter would be a player. So yeah. All right, now we're gonna make a lot of variables. I'm just gonna copy from my notes. I'm just gonna paste it here because it's gonna take a while. But yeah, so basically, I'm gonna go through this. Local player GUI equals player.player GUI. So yeah, we're just getting the player GUI that holds all the UIs in the game. And now right here, make sure this is all spelt right, by the way. If you want the script, it'll be in the description. You can get the model for free. Local music GUI equals player dot wait for wait for child server. Yeah, let me change this because I actually named my GUI differently. But yeah, you can change the name of the GUI to anything you want. I'm just gonna give it what I said, which is music, because in the model before I made this, it was a different name, but it doesn't matter. Just make sure it's the same thing you put in here. So yeah, that's the name of the GUI. Music player GUI. There we go. Now we get the holder. Music GUI.holder, which is the thing that holds everything. It's like the background almost, but okay. So now we say local background bg equals holder.bg because the bg is inside of the holder, and we say local progress equals bg.progress. So we're getting the frame, and we say local song playing, which is a text label, and we say holder.playing since it's in the holder. Yeah, it's in the holder frame. And if you guys get any errors with this, it's probably because your names don't match. So make sure whatever you put here, it matches what the names are in here. So yeah, because if you don't spell something right or the name's not the same, it's probably not going to work. All right. Now we're gonna set the text to song playing dot text equals, and I'm just gonna say song playing :space. I'm gonna concatenate, which is just adding another string to it. Random song dot name. Okay, so this, all that will do, you'll see right now. I'll play the game. As you see right here, all it did was it chose a random song from the folder, and it chose Uptown. If I play again, you'll see that it will probably say another name. It's gonna choose out of random. So yeah, it chose another song. So that's just the name of it. Now we actually want to get that playing. We want to get the song to play, and we also want to tween the bar that we have. So I'm gonna drop a couple lines. We're gonna say progress tween size 2 parentheses udim2 dot new. Okay. Now we're gonna say so this just it's a function that will tween this progress bar GUI, which is the green bar that we have. So I'm just gonna say 1010, which will just tween it forward. I mean the direction that we want. Okay, so now we're gonna add some easing styles. I'm just gonna say out because it's gonna go out into the frame or whatever. But yeah, it just say out, and then you can say whatever you want here, but do linear because it doesn't matter. There's a lot of easing styles. If you want to get another easing style, you can go look up Roblox easing styles, and you should see a lot of them. There's quad, there's bounce, there's sine, there's a lot of them. But linear, I think, is the best for this one. It just means that it's gonna go in like a straight line. So I'm gonna do a comma. I'm gonna say I'm gonna do 2 more parentheses here, and we're gonna say random song dot time hold on. Yes, that time length. Time length is just a property of random song, which will just get the time of the song as the length of the song. How long is it playing for? And then finally, what we got to do last is say -1. So so yeah, the song, we're just subtracting 1 pretty much from the length. Actually, yeah, I forget what that does. I made this earlier. I forget. But yeah, let's just keep going. And what we just need to write 1 more line and we're good. Just say random song play and we're done. So I'm gonna play the game. All right, it's loading. There we go. So the song is playing. I just muted my. I'm sorry. All right, my phone's ringing. So all I did was I just muted the song. Oh, actually, you can hear it. Never mind. Yeah, you can kind of hear it. Yeah, you can hear it. I think you can. So yeah, I'm just gonna mute that for now. But you heard it. I think you heard it, unless it didn't go into the video. But yes. So as you see, the song is playing, and you can see that the bar tweens. And yeah, the bar is tweening, and that's the name, and that's just indicating how the song names and when there'll be in the next song. And yeah, there we go. It shows another song, Night Vision, and it sees that the bar is tweening. So this is a success. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped you. Once again, the whole model, the whole GUI and script will be in the description below for you to take. And yeah, you can customize the GUI any way you like and make it look nicer than this. But this is just basic and yeah, just simple enough to understand. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped you. Hit the like if it did. Comment, subscribe, and tell me what you think I should do next for a Roblox video, a Roblox Studio video. So what should I do next? Tell me in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one. Stay safe and peace out. See you guys next time.